Welcome to Money Magnet. Today we are going to discuss something more important and precious thing in life which money can't buy. Want to know how a single video has changed millions of lives? For this, all you're supposed to do is promise yourself to get daily 10 minutes of time for yourself. No compromise? And listen to this audio before starting your try this for 30 days and see the magic. There are moments in life when you realize something you've been seeking, something you've known was there, just beyond your reach. But you don't know where it is or how to find it. You search the world for answers, but what if the answer is within you? This is the story of a man who had everything: success, family, dreams, and lost it all. But today, his story changes. Today, he discovers the strangest secret in the world. A secret so simple, it might be too easy to miss. So powerful, it could change everything. Look around you. You'll see 1,000 people walking in the streets, all of them seeking something. They're searching for meaning, for answers, for success, for happiness. But most of them have never found it. They don't know the one secret that could change everything. The strangest secret in the world is simple, and it's been there all along. We become what we think about. This truth is not a new one. It's been known for centuries. But only a few have truly understood it. The rest? They walk through life, unaware that they are shaping their own destiny with every thought, every choice, every second. I will achieve success in my business. I will reconnect with my family. I will live with purpose. What you think about, you become. Your thoughts are the blueprint for your life. They are the foundation on which everything you create is built. Your world is a reflection of your inner world. Every experience you have is a result of what you've been thinking about most of the time. The reason so many people struggle with finding happiness or success is that they've never realized this truth. They focus on their problems, on their lack of time, their failures, their fears, and that becomes their reality. Once upon a time, this man had dreams. He believed in himself. But something happened. He lost his focus. He began thinking about the wrong things. He thought about what could go wrong. He thought about the setbacks. He thought about what he was lacking. He thought about his failures. And so they grew. Every doubt, every fear, every missed opportunity became a heavy weight. But what if it's never too late to change? The power to reshape your life has always been in your hands. The thoughts you entertain today will dictate the future you create tomorrow. What do you think about? What are the thoughts that dominate your mind? Do you think about what you want? Or do you think about what you fear? Are you focused on abundance or scarcity? On possibilities or limitations? This is the key to unlocking your potential. You must think about what you want, not what you fear. The mind does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It simply accepts the thoughts you give it. The moment you choose to focus on the possibilities in your life, your world will change, and that change will be profound. The strange secret is not just in thinking about what you want, it's in doing something about it. Action is the bridge between thought and reality. It doesn't matter how many setbacks you've had. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what your circumstances are. The moment you change your thinking, you change your world. And when you change your world, you change your future. The strangest secret in the world is simple, but it can change everything. You become what you think about. And the moment you understand that, nothing will ever be the same again. Do let me know in comments below. Understand this very well that life goes with a series of ups and downs, and both situations are responsible for our learnings. Remember, money can buy something, but not everything. What will you think about today?